Now, Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Welcome back, everyone. We are live at the Bi-Mart at Willackenzie. We are right across the street from Sheldon High School. Good, steady crowd today, and I want to thank everybody that's come on out and helped donate for our Toys for Tots. This is a collaboration that we do for the Toys for Tots folks and also the Marine Corps. We're talking about how you could donate the toys. All you got to do is come on down and find one of these bins. The bins will be at the Bi-Mart. We'll have those locations on our website at kzi.com. In addition, we will be out over the next couple of Tuesday nights at different Bi-Mart locations. So if you missed us tonight, you want to come out and say hi, we'd appreciate that. You can also get a list of where those will be over the next couple of nights at kzi.com. Now, what we're also going to be talking about is not only for Christmas, but Christmas shopping. Huge shopping day on Friday. And I do think the weather is going to be a bit of an impact. Let's get out to the Storm Tracker 9 live radar sweep, and I'll show you what I mean by that. In fact, so far today, it's been fairly quiet. We've got mainly just mostly cloudy skies. And we had a couple of sprinkles out here earlier today. That's a few as I was driving around town, but that's about it. Otherwise, it's been a relatively quiet afternoon. Lots of warm air being pumped up. Basically, we've got sort of a warm front or warm frontal boundary that's leading off of what you see just off to the bottom left of your screen. That's the area of low pressure and the cold front developing as well, and all of that system is lifting northward. So as you might expect, it's pulling all of that southerly wind out ahead of it, and so that's keeping us relatively warm, at least for the next couple of days. So the good news is that means that we'll stay dry and relatively mild as you're getting ready to travel for that important day tomorrow, but then the showers return as we head mainly in towards Thanksgiving morning. I think that'll be the wettest time. It will stay wet and cooler as you head towards Black Friday. And the good news is that does mean as the cooler air starts to arrive, all that rain up in the mountains tomorrow, or excuse me, on Thursday, will change over to snow as we get into the weekend. So we've got upper 30s and 40s out into the mountains right now. It's mid to upper 50s out across portions of the valley. The cloud cover sticking around today should keep us relatively mild tonight. In fact, we saw temperatures starting off this morning in the low 50s and then rising overnight last night too. So kind of a real tricky overnight low forecast for us. But that basically just meant this is what we were looking at, the big swirling area of low pressure there is pushing all of that warmer air to the north. And so that's moving some moisture into the region. That's why we've seen a few sprinkles today. But the bulk of that rain, basically the real skinny part that you can see around the swirly, that's the cold front itself. That'll be moving through as we head in towards Thursday morning's forecast. So this is what it looks like as we start off tonight on the Stormcast. Let's roll through the next 48 hours and give you an idea of what you can expect. Dry tomorrow for the most part, but there comes the front. Overnight at the coast, mainly early Friday or Thursday morning, that is, as you move inland, and those showers will stick around at times throughout the rest of our Thursday forecast, and then likely see a secondary hit coming through as we get in towards Friday. That does mean Saturday as well. So if you're headed out to Reese, they're probably going to be a little wet. Kickoff temperatures at about 5 o'clock will be in the upper 40s. So 50s tomorrow, or 50s on Thursday, mostly cloudy skies, scattered showers. Tomorrow at the coast, we'll see another mild one. Temperatures will be around 60, partly sunny, mild and breezy. Winds will start to pick up as the day progresses. Then as we get down to the Umpqua, we'll see around 58 to 59 degrees, partly sunny, staying mild there as well. Up into the mountains, no problems traveling over the passes. Both of the temperatures there will be likely well into the 40s. Central Oregon looking in mid-50s for tomorrow, partly cloudy and mild. And then finally for us here in the Willamette Valley, we'll go around 56 to 57. So basically what you're seeing out there right now. And then the rain starts to arrive as we head in towards your Friday. So staying wet pretty much for the next 6 to 7 days along the coast. Now, nothing major out there. Friday into Saturday, that'll be the wettest 48-hour time period for your weekend. But you notice the temperatures get considerably cooler into the low 50s and upper 40s. And look at those overnight lows dipping into the 20s. That means lots of good snow potential up into the Cascades. And for us here in the Willamette Valley, we'll go mid-50s tomorrow. But Matt and Renee, watch the temperatures drop back into the 40s, especially as we head in towards next Monday and Tuesday. And I've been saying it tonight. Generally, when we do this Toys for Tots, it is freezing. So we're enjoying the 50s today. As you can tell by next Tuesday when we're out, that will not be the case. The cold air is coming back.
We know those 20-degree temperatures very, very well. We've been out there right alongside you. Thank you very much, Justin.